Convicted killer Scott Peterson set to appear back in court virtually today as he continues his latest quest for a new trial, now with the help of the Los Angeles Innocence Project.
I see Mr. Peterson trying to unmute.
Peterson, now 51, last seen at a hearing a month ago, zooming in from prison, sporting long hair pulled back in a ponytail.
Thank you, Your Honor.
His new attorney argued for the release of evidence she says should have been made available at the time of the trial.
Mr. Peterson has been waiting 20 years to find some of these police reports and audio recordings and video recordings that should have been provided.
Peterson is serving a life sentence without parole for the 2002 murders of his pregnant wife Lacey and their unborn child. Police say Peterson dumped their bodies from his fishing boat into the San Francisco Bay on Christmas Eve, where months later their bodies washed up. But the LA Innocence Project says there's overlooked evidence suggesting they may have been killed by burglars who broke into the home across the street from the Petersons. The LA Innocence Project is also pointing to a burned-out orange van containing a bloody mattress said to have been found in Modesto the morning after Lacey disappeared. They want to do testing on a sample of that mattress that's believed to be in police custody to determine if there's any of Lacey's DNA. Former Modesto police detective John Bueller, who was one of the lead investigators on the original case, says he never knew about the van at the time.
Do you think there's a possibility that it is connected to this case?
I guess there's a possibility, but I think it's kind of like the possibility of the sun rising in the west tomorrow. I just really don't think it's there.
Criminal defense attorney Paula Canny has been following the case for years and believes Peterson didn't get a fair trial.
I know he didn't get a fair trial because a fair trial would have been that all of the information would have been provided to the defense.